Good afternoon, everybody. Be safe, be responsible. I hope all of you are fine. Okay, class 7th students, it's time to do question answers of your chapter first from your book Honeycomb, and chapter name is 3 questions. Before I will tell you the answers, I would like to tell you something which is very important. So listen carefully. Here, some questions are given in your workbook and some in your book, NCERT book. Okay, so you have to do questions of your book in the notebook. Okay, and you have to do your workbook questions in workbook only. Okay, but some questions are same in your workbook and same as in your book. Like this question: why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? It is given in your workbook and in your book also. Okay, so these types of questions you have to do in your workbook only, not in your workbook. जो क्वेश्चंस सेम हैं, जिसमें यहाँ पे NCERT लिखा है, वो क्वेश्चंस आपको केवल वर्कबुक में करने हैं, आपको अपनी नोटबुक में नहीं करने हैं. In notebook you have to do questions which is given in your book only, or not same. Okay, in your workbook. Now, question number first, reference to the context. Read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. Means here some extracts given which is from your book. You have to identify, you have to write your answer from these extracts. So why was the king dissatisfied? Dissatisfied means not satisfied. He was not satisfied. What was the reason behind that? So reason was that because the answers to his questions were so different, and he was expecting some good answers which he did not get. Okay, that is why he was not satisfied. What made the king seek the hermit's advice? Means what type of conditions forced him to go to the hermit. So the conditions was that when the king did not get satisfying answers to his questions, at the same time he decided to take hermit's advice. So he went to the hermit. Now what did the king do to disguise himself as a common man? So what he do to show him as a common man? He put on an ordinary clothes. Before reach the hermit's hut, he left his horse also, because he pretended to be an ordinary man. Now find the antonym of reward from the options given below. So antonym of reward is punishment. Reward means some award, but opposite of reward is punishment. Now question number 2, which para number 2, extract number 2, which action of the king projects him in the passage as an ordinary man? So the king worked with the spade in the ground for hours, actually morning to afternoon. All those things projected king as an ordinary man, because an ordinary man does these type of things. Now who are the two men talking? The two men were king and the wise man. Okay, so did the wise man answer the king's question? What did he say instead? At that time, we have to find out the answer from the extract. So according to the extract, at that particular time hermit not answered king's questions. Instead of that, he asked him to see someone who was coming, or we can say that who was running towards them. Okay, now take the right option. The king said to the hermit that if he had no answer to his questions, he would return home. It is clearly written here, tell me so and I will return home. So he would return home. Now extract number 3, what made the king happy? What was the reason of king happiness at that time? The king was very happy to have made peace with the bearded man, who was supposed to his enemy, and he made him a friend. That is why he was happy. Now, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he show to his forgiveness? He showed his forgiveness by telling him that he would send some servant to him. Write the king's wish. The king's only wish was, before going away, he wished once more to get the answer to his questions. And use the phrase. By using this phrase, you have to make a sentence. Those sentences: to win over him, offer him a favor. Okay. So rest of the question I will tell you in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.